Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with Namecheap. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where we are using WooCommerce. This is usually going to be WordPress, and once you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. From here, we can get started with installing and managing WooCommerce by going into the plugin section at the left side of the screen and opening up plugins. From here, you can get started with searching for WooCommerce. As you can see, by searching for WooCommerce, this is going to enable us to find a plugin that we are going to go ahead and click on and install and manage our store with, and this is going to turn our website into the WooCommerce store. So from here, we can get started following the rest of this tutorial right here on the official Namecheap website. We can take a look at this article on how to get started with e-commerce on your website. They're going to talk through you what I have just showed you to go into your plugins on WordPress and install WooCommerce. From here, you can get started with going ahead to namecheap.com and getting your plan that you want to use for hosting. You want to go ahead and get your hosting right here and purchase your hosting for domains, WordPress, or whichever option you prefer. And once you have gotten your plan ready, go back to your main website on WordPress and go to the home page. Here in the upper right corner, you're going to have the hosting overview from where you can get started managing your hosting, your domains, and so on, that you can get started with integrating directly with Namecheap and the plan you have bought from right here. So go ahead and get started connecting those two and set up your WooCommerce store, and that is how easily to integrate them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.